Introducing the 2025 WATERSPORTS Boat of the Year. Every boat starts as an idea, but the Ultra ZX started as an obsession. We spent years innovating, refining, perfecting. Every line has intent, every detail a reason. On the water, you have total control. The highest level of pro waves and wakes, unmatched customization. Set after set, rider after rider, every single time. Inside, pure luxury, refined materials, a thoughtful, intuitive layout, technology that works with you, not around you. Boating Magazine's 2025 WATERSPORTS Boat of the Year, Ultra ZX.